Hello, my name is Jeff Beatty, and I'm a faculty member in the Digital Arts program at LaSalle University. Digital Arts, or DART as we call it, is a course of study that includes everything from graphic design to animation to video production to web design to illustration to audio production. It's a lot of things. The curriculum is almost entirely project-based, which means that in a DART class, you'll be spending most of your time making something. For example, students in our color theory class learn about color by designing a board game. Students in our animation class learn animation by creating animated short films. And students in our advanced web design class set up e-commerce sites. In short, DART is all about learning by doing. But digital arts is more than just the classes you take and the projects you make. At the very heart of DART is the connection between the students, the faculty, and the whole professional world of artists and designers, a world populated, by the way, by almost 20 years of digital arts alumni. We had DART alumni working at places like Rockstar Games, Microsoft, Comcast, and for professional sports teams like the Sixers and the Eagles. They're working as creative directors, video editors, game designers, and comic artists. We have alumni who run their own creative firms. They run their own businesses. In short, when you join the DART program at LaSalle, you instantly become part of this extended creative professional family. And it's a big family, a big geeky family made up of people who come from all kinds of backgrounds. We have skateboarders, athletes, podcasters, international students, gamers, non-gamers, musicians, writers, basically any kind of person you can think of. But we all come together and bond over working hard at night in the studio, watching anime and playing Switch in between classes, and taking part in digital arts club activities like Inktober. I believe that we connect so well because LaSalle is a special place. Honestly, you could study digital arts at lots of schools. I've taught digital arts at lots of schools, but I have to say that LaSalle is the best place I've ever worked. And that's because at LaSalle, we really care about each other. I mean, we really care. The faculty care about the students care about each other, and it's the most supportive environment I've ever experienced. I think that's because we don't see you as numbers, and we don't see you as just a student. You're a whole person. You're a person with professional aspirations, but you're also a person that has a life outside of school and outside of your career. You have hopes and dreams, but you also have fears and anxieties, and we get it because we've been there and we felt those things too. We know that it's hard to balance life and school and often work. And it's scary to embark on a college career when there's a lot of uncertainty in the world. And this is not an easy time in your life, nor in the world at large. But the thing that I want to stress is that you're not alone in it. Everyone here, from the administration to the faculty to the office staff, they want you to succeed. And they don't rest until you find that success. You'd think that would be true of any school, and it should be true. But my experience is that, sadly, it really isn't. What I can say is that here at LaSalle, in the digital arts program, we're striving every day to make this the most creative, inspiring place you've ever experienced. Whether it's working to make sure that the curriculum reflects the creative and professional goals of the students, or bringing in guest speakers to talk about animating for AAA VR game titles, we want to stoke that creative fire that is burning in you, the one that is pushing you to study digital arts. I wish you could come and visit and see this in person. The DART students are amazing people and could give you a much better idea of what this looks like in real life. Hopefully you'll get a chance to connect with them at some point. In the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out to me with questions, or if you just want to chat about design, animation, whatever. You can reach me at dart@lasalle.edu. So take care, be safe, and I look forward to talking with you soon.